Good morning, students. Let's go for the next problem. From the following particulars, calculate first question BP in terms of sales, volume, and units. Second question PV ratio. Third question number of units that must be sold to earn a profit of 90,000. That means profit is given, sales is not given. Then we have to apply the formula. Okay. Profit, calculate the profit when 10,000 units are sold. So 10,000 units are sold means sales is given, we have to calculate the profit, then we have to prepare the marginal statement. Okay. So other information given are fixed factory overheads 60,000, fixed selling overheads cost rupees 12,000. There are two fixed expenses given. Okay, factory and selling both should be added together. We have to take the total fixed cost. Okay, so in this problem they are given separately factory and fixed selling expenses. So both should be added to get the total fixed cost. Variable manufacturing cost per unit rupees 12 and variable selling cost per unit is rupees 3. Even the variable rate also, they given separately how much for manufacturing and how much for selling. So both should be added. So 60,000 plus 12,000 of fixed overheads total 72,000. 12 plus 3, you will get 15 as a variable unit that we have to show it in the working note. Selling price per unit rupees 24. Okay, with this we have to answer for the four question: BP, PV ratio, sales, and profit. Before that, we have to ascertain what is the total fixed cost and what is total variable cost, then contribution. After that, we have to answer the each one question separately. Okay. So total fixed cost 60,000 plus 12,000. So 72,000. Same way, variable per unit 12 plus 3 15. 12 plus 3 15. Then we have to calculate contribution sales minus variable. Sales is 24 minus variable is 15. You will get 9 is the contribution. After that, we have to apply the BP in units. TFC, that is total fixed cost by cost contribution per unit. 72,000 divided by 15. Sorry, 9. 72,000 divided by 9. You get 8,000 units. BP in rupees. TFC divided by contribution per unit into selling price. That is 72,000 divided by 9 into 24. You get 1,92,000 rupees. Okay. Next, PV ratio. Set first question. That is the second question. Calculation of PV ratio. Formula is contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution we got 9. Sales we have 24 rupees into 100. To calculate, we will get 37.5%. 37.5%. Third question, calculation of sales. Sales for desired profit. That is total fixed cost plus profit divided by contribution per unit. That is 72,000 plus profit is given 90,000 divided by 9. You get 18,000 is the sales. Okay. we calculated the sales. Fourth one, calculation of profit. Calculation of profit. For this, we have to prepare marginal cost statement. Marginal cost statement. So here, sales, they given 10,000 units were sold into rate is 24 they given, sales is a variable, so rate is constant, so same 24 rupees we can take. Okay, 2,40,000 less variable cost 10,000 into variable, also rate is constant, so same 15 rupees you have to take, 1,50,000. So difference 90,000 is the contribution, less fixed cost 72,000, 18,000 is the profit. 18,000 is the profit. See the 10th problem. The price of a cost structure of a company are as follows. Selling price per unit rupees 10. Variable manufacturing cost per unit rupees 3. Selling price 10 is given. Variable for manufacture they given separately rupees 3, like a previous problem. Variable selling expenses per unit 20% on sales. So 20% is on sales means sales value price is given how much? 10 rupees. So 10 rupees into 20% if you do, you will get 2. So already manufacturing variable cost is 3. This plus 2, you will get total 5 is the variable cost. Then they are given fixed cost, manufacturing 75,000, administrative 12,000, selling 13,000. If we add all these three, you will get 1 lakh. So total fixed cost is 1 lakh. Calculate first question BP in output, that means in units. BP in sales, that is in rupees. Then PV ratio. If the company desired, fourth question, if the company desired to earn a profit of rupees 20,000, what should be the level of sales? We have to apply the formula to calculate the sales. If 16,000 units are sold, what should be the profitability? So here profit has to calculate means we have to prepare the statement. So understand, sales we have to calculate means formula we have to apply. If they will give the profit, but if they given sales information, they ask you to calculate profit means we have to prepare the statement. Okay, first we'll calculate what is the total fixed cost. That is 75,000 plus 12,000 plus 13,000 will get 1 lakh. Variable cost 3 plus, that is 10 into 20%, we will get 2. So total will get 5 is the variable. So 3 is already given for manufacturing. For selling we calculated on sales 20%, that means 2 rupee will come. So 3 plus 2 will get 5 as a variable. Now we have to calculate as usual contribution. So sales is 10 minus variable 5, you will get 5 is the contribution. Okay, now first question, BP in units, BP in units, that is TFC, total fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Total fixed cost we calculated 1 lakh divided by 5, you will get 20,000. So 20,000 units. Next question, BP in rupees, total fixed cost divided by contribution per unit into selling price. So 1 lakh divided by 5 into 10, we'll get 2 lakh. We'll get 2 lakh rupees as the sales value. Third question, PV ratio. Formula is contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution is 5. Sales is 10 into 100. If you do, we'll get 50% is the PV ratio. Fourth question. Sales for desired profit. Sales for desired profit. Total fixed cost divided by sales contribution per unit plus profit, that is 1 lakh, plus profit is given 20,000 divided by 5, you get 24,000. For a fifth question, we have to prepare marginal cost statement to find out the profit. That is sales is given 16,000 units sold at a rate of 10. 16,000 into 10, 1,60,000. As variable cost is 16,000 into rate is constant, so same 5 rupee what we calculated variable, same thing we have to take. 16 into 5, 80,000. So difference also 80,000, that is contribution, less fixed cost 1 lakh. So you will get 20,000 as the loss, because fixed cost is more than the contribution. So 20,000 is the loss. Okay. So 9th and 10th problem we completed. So 11 and 12th problem, you take it as a homework and complete and send it to me in the WhatsApp. It is a similar problem to the 9th and 10th problem. So 10, 11 and 12 you have to complete and send to me to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.